Hello, my name is Van Willard. I'm with MarineMax in Dallas, Texas. And today we're going to be talking about a Sunliner 230 manufactured by Harris Corporation. Okay, we're in the boat now, and up front here we have our bow area. As you can see, it's a full U-shaped seating here, so you can put 4 or 5 people up here very comfortably. Down here we have our in-floor ski storage. Used to be ski storage. Of course, today you can put different items in here that basically you might want to put for storage. You put tubes in here. That's a very good location for tubes. Okay, this is our helm area where we have our captain's chair with the armrest, and then our full instrumentation here, JL audio system, which is a very strong sound system. Of course, you do have a rear view mirror, which is not seen on many boats at all. Okay, so basically over here we have our captain's chair passenger seat, which is really a very comfortable seat. We'll do a 360 degree turn. Here we have our table. This table pops up, makes it very nice to put cheese and crackers and drinks and whatever you might want to put on board this table. What we're looking at here is our full bimini. As you can see, it covers almost 90% of the boat. Also, you have your tower here, which is a tow tower, which you can use for towing wakeboarders, even surfing, wakeboarding. If you've got a learner, new surfer, this is a good way to start out with a pontoon boat. Down here, we have our lounge seating. As you see, it lays flat. Then we can bring it up where you're laying towards the rear, and then of course it makes a normal seat here. Back here we have our rear speakers here. Again, this is a tow bar here for towing, and then also this boat is powered with a 250 horsepower Mercury outboard engine with a 4-step ladder, which makes it very easy to get inside the boat. Okay, thank you for your time today. This particular boat's available. If you'll give me a call at 972-835-8788, I'll be glad to assist you with this boat or any of our Harris inventory. Thank you very much.